Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Starting here off the transom, we have a 200 horsepower V6 from Mercury. Swim platform, we have sea deck that goes into the cockpit and up towards the bow. We have the water sports tower with the bimini off of it. Moving into the cockpit here, point a few features out. A lot of storage in the boat. We have storage in the walkway, another storage compartment here, floor storage. Guys, the boat has a ton of storage. I'm going to open up the storage compartment in the aft here. Being that this boat is an outboard, massive storage trunk, easy access to bilge pumps, batteries, all your technical stuff. Nice L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. We have a forward and aft facing companion seat. Large storage locker in the floor. This boat has the premium audio sound system. We have a SIMRAD GPS with depth finder unit here in the dash. This is also going to give you all your engine data. Digital throttle and shift from Mercury. Fusion stereo. Off we have glove box. More storage. Moving up towards the bow. Plenty of seating. We have an anchor locker. Little bow and a cockpit cover for this boat. That's going to conclude the walkthrough. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.